I have generated these handwritten notes from this YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to show how you can convert any YouTube video into the handwritten note. The process is very simple and straightforward, and you can easily do it. So the first step would be to have a YouTube video which you want to convert into a handwritten notes. For this video I will be converting this video into a handwritten notes. So I will simply copy the URL and I will use this prompt. This is the first prompt that we are going to use here. I will simply paste the URL that I just have copied. Then I will copy the whole prompt and then go to the Gemini. Make sure you have thinking selected here, which is very important step. Then I will simply paste the prompt here with the YouTube video URL and hit enter. It will take some time and generate a high quality notes out of this video. Now our notes are ready. We will simply copy these notes and paste into our second prompt. So I just copied them, and here is our second prompt. I will simply paste our notes here and then copy the whole prompt and then get back to Gemini. This time you have to click on these tools and select create images. Now it will create an image using Nano Banana. I will simply paste the second prompt here and hit enter. It will take some time and then generate a handwritten notes for us. So our handwritten notes are ready. Just look at how beautiful they look. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.